There's never been a better time in history to start your own business. As long as you've got a computer and an internet connection, or in some instances, just a phone, you can make money from wherever you are. This list is a collection of tried and true ways to make money as a digital nomad or lifestyle entrepreneur. Keep in mind that individual suggestions can be combined for even greater financial success. If you've ever entertained the thought of creating a life of freedom and flexibility, then we've got the perfect list for you. So, without further ado, here are 13 super simple ways you can make money online and turn those dreams into reality. 13. Make the most of your creative talents. The most obvious solution is to sell your wares via your own website or a third-party platform like Etsy, but you could also consider selling images to stock websites, offering courses that inspire others to lead more creative lives, or creating a high-traffic blog full of useful advice and relevant affiliate links. Matched betting. If you know how to lay and back the right bets, you can use this free money to your advantage and walk away with hundreds or even thousands of dollars. However, it's important that you understand exactly what you are doing before placing a bet, so take your time and read through the guides below. 11. Get paid to evaluate search engine results. There are lots of companies out there offering contract work. With a bit of luck, you could make a full-time living this way. It's a good interim job that can pay the bills while you work on your main hustle. 10. Make money online by freelancing. Freelancing is a decent option if you are new to making money online because it allows you to get started relatively quickly. Nine. Start your own publishing empire. Making and selling ebooks is pretty straightforward. You don't even have to do any writing, because you can outsource the task to a ghostwriter. Amazon Kindle is a Teach people from around the globe. One of the most exciting aspects of the internet is that anyone can learn a new skill without leaving their home. Name a topic, and someone out there is bound to be interested in it. If you are accomplished in a particular skill, or have an area of expertise, why not write a course and sell it online? Seven. Sell what you love. You could also open a store on an established commerce platform, such as Etsy or Zazzle. This is a much easier option, but comes with downsides. For example, by operating on someone else's platform, you are putting your business at risk if they change their terms and conditions. 6. Sell your words of wisdom if you prefer speaking to writing or creating videos. Creating a podcast could be a great alternative. Releasing regular podcasts carries the same benefits as a blog. Five. Consultancy like coaching. This entails offering your expertise in return for money. However, there's a key difference. Make money online with coaching. Do you love to help other people? Are you passionate about self-improvement? If so, you could make money by encouraging others to reach their goals. Three. Affiliate marketing. You can review and recommend these products on your blog or niche site, or just post links on social media. The greater your authority in a field and the bigger your following, the more money you will make. Do you have a special hobby or interest? Do you enjoy researching products or services? You could make money online with a niche website that contains useful information and product recommendations. For example, if you love dogs, you could create a site in the dog ownership niche that focuses on solutions for problem booking. Just writing the blog won't make you money. You have to think of it as a way to grow your following and build a relationship with people who will later buy something from you. If you pick a topic that resonates with you, you'll have lots to write about. Alternatively, you could try blogging if writing really isn't your thing.